Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a logo in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to add a logo on. And to add a logo to this website, simply click on this settings icon. A new window pops up. Go to Brand Images, and below Logo, click on Upload. Locate your logo on your computer. In my case, let's see if I think this photo can be used as a logo. You can add an alternative text for people who may have trouble seeing your content. For example, my website logo dash a dollar sign in a red circle. Now close this window. Don't forget to hit this publish button to save your changes. If you see this error, just before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites. Additional features, like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. If you see this error, just return to the editor and make a small change, like adding a word, and hit the publish again. Now let's view our changes live. And this is my logo here. And this is how to add a logo in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.